That move comes as we see high levels of COVID transmission across Colorado and the nation. I'm Michelle Griego bringing you CBS 4 News at noon live on CBS 4 and CBSN Denver. You can see from the CDC transmission map, most of the United States is in the high level of transmission. Only 5 counties in Colorado have low levels. And the number of people hospitalized continues to increase, jumping to 796 yesterday. That's more than twice the number of just a month ago. Just within the hour, the state health officials told us kids between 6 and 11 are at their highest levels of illness since the pandemic began, and more kids are ending up in the hospital, even though that number is still low. State epidemiologist Rachel Herlihy took a firm stance on masks.
Masks in schools are an incredibly important intervention. But masks outside of schools are also incredibly important and something that we need to be keeping in mind as our kids are out and about. But we need to remember that our children that are too young to be vaccinated continue to be incredibly vulnerable, more vulnerable than they've been in the past, unfortunately.
Herlihy says those rates among children started going up in July before kids went back to school, but she did say schools are a location for transmission. The state is also moving forward its plan to get more tests into schools. The better news for COVID in Colorado is that 75% of adults are now vaccinated with at least 1 dose of the vaccine, and 73% of all eligible people, meaning those 12 and older, have received at least 1 dose. It's another